Lost access to your Discord account and can't log in? Don't worry. If you still have access to the email connected to the account, you can usually reset your password in just a few minutes. Start by opening Discord and going to the login screen. Instead of entering your password, look for Forgot Your Password and click it. Now enter the email address connected to your Discord account. Make sure you use the same email you originally used to create the account, then submit the request. Discord will send a password reset email to that address. Open your email inbox and look for the message from Discord. Open it and click the password reset link. You'll be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and make sure it's strong and different from passwords you use on other accounts. Once you've changed the password, return to Discord and log in using your email address and your new password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, Discord may also ask you for your authentication code before allowing you to access the account. If you've lost access to your authentication app, you may be able to use your backup codes if you save them when you enable two-factor authentication. There's another situation you should know about. If you no longer have access to the email address connected to your Discord account, the normal password reset process won't be enough. Discord states that support cannot change the email address associated with an account or reset a password for you. So, recovering access to the original email account is especially important. Support.discord.com. And if you believe someone hacked your account, don't send your password or verification codes to anyone claiming they can recover it for you. Use Discord's official support resources and secure your email account as well. Once you've recovered your account, consider enabling two-factor authentication and checking your account security settings. And that's it. With access to your original email, you can reset your Discord password and get back into your account.